Hello everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of Document Management System. Agenda. Today in this training video, I will tell you about digital signature and its use case. Objective. Objectives of this training is to understand following. What is a digital signature? What is the purpose of using a digital signature? What are the impacts of digital signature on document? How they help in DMS working? Prerequisites. To perform this activity, the user must have tenant account and admin role with organization access. In addition to this, the user must have DMS form access. Configuration items. The user must ensure that the configuration is done for the master screens mentioned below before proceeding with the digital signature process. Configure mail settings on tenant window or mail configuration window. Enable digital signature on DMS configuration window. Run sequence check process if the user using DMS first time. Digital signature. A digital signature is an electronic method used to verify the authenticity and integrity of documents. Digital signature is designed to simplify and secure the process of signing, sending, and managing documents electronically. It allows users to sign documents digitally by typing their name, drawing their signature, or uploading an image of their signature. Additionally, it supports multi-signatures, where multiple people can sign the same document. Digital signatures ensure security and transparency for signed documents through audit trails. Let us understand it by using use case named Ensuring Document Integrity and Authentication via Digital Signatures. Peter, who manages the HR department, prepares a letter that explains an employee's salary increase. He saves this letter as a PDF file. The document management system is a centralized platform to store and manage the documents. He uploads the PDF increment letter into the DMS so it is properly recorded and easy to access later. Peter then sends the document to the employee by email, asking him to review it and add his digital signature to confirm he agrees. The employee opens the PDF file, reads the details, and signs it using a digital signature. When the employee signs the document, the DMS automatically creates this as a new version of the same document, keeping original unsigned version as well. Finally, Peter checks the latest version in the DMS to make sure the document has been digitally signed by the employee. So, now we will understand the process of digital signature and the impact of digital signatures on the document in more detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Please log into system using tenant account and admin role with organization access. Once logged in, please open DMS web form from the menu. The user selects the folder where the PDF increment letter is stored. For example, the HR department documents folder under the promotion letters folder. Inside the folder, the promotion letter for Jackson is found. HR department needs to share the document with Jackson to obtain his signature. To do this, the user clicks on the Sign Document icon to start the signature request process. Since we are requesting the signature from the employee, the user select the Request Signature option. Ad hoc sign pop-up will open. Here, the user must select the signer's name. For example, Jackson, who will receive the signature request. After selecting the signer, click the Add button to include them. Once the signer is added, enter the subject and purpose of sharing the document. And then click the Next button to proceed. A message will appear asking the user to mark the markings where Jackson should apply the signature. The user reviews the document, marks the spot for the signature, and selects the signature type from the left side. This is where Jackson will sign the document. The HR manager places the multiple signature markings in the required spot and then clicks the Finish button to complete the process. After clicking the Finish button, an email is automatically sent to the recipient. In this case, employee Jackson. Jackson will receive the email in his inbox with the promotion letter attached. He can open and review the document by clicking on the attached file. Once he has reviewed the letter, Jackson can sign the document by clicking the Sign Document button. This will take him to a screen where he needs to enter a valid email address where he received the document for signing. After entering an email address, an OTP will be sent to the employee email. As shown, Jackson receives the OTP, copies it, and pastes it into the verification field, then click on Validate button. After clicking the Validate button, the user is redirected to the document screen. Here, all the sender's details are displayed. If the user agrees to the terms and conditions, he can enable the checkbox to confirm, then click the Continue button. After that, the user will see the area where he can place their signature. He can click Sign option, select a font for his signature, then click Adopt Sign. Next, he clicks on the marked area to apply the signature successfully. After placing the signature, the user clicks the Finish button. Clicking Finish saves the signature on the document. Once the signature is applied, the user will see a message indicating you have signed the document. Please close the tab. The user will also receive a confirmation email. This email confirms that the promotion letter has been successfully signed. In fact, they will get two emails, one confirming their own signature and another notifying that all parties have completed signing the document. The signed document is attached to the email along with an audit file. The user can open the audit file by clicking on it to see detailed information about the employee's signature. Now, we'll go to the DMS web to check how the digital signature affects the document. The user clicks on the folder to refresh the screen, and a signature icon appears in front of the document, showing that the signature has been successfully applied. Next, by clicking on the document's name, the document details open. The user will see that a new version of the document has been created, confirming that the applied signature has been saved. The user can view the signed document by clicking on it. In the Related Signed Documents section, both the promotion letter and digital signature details are displayed. To track all actions taken on the document, the user can go to the Activity tab, where a complete audit trail is available. This is the complete flow of the digital signature process, which ensures secure document sharing, verifies the signer's identity, and provides full traceability for audit purposes. Thank you.